Do you have an issue with toys everywhere? Like they're in the living room, they're in the bedrooms, they're on the floor, you step on Lego and you're like, ow. Yeah, they're really painful when you step on them. So if you have a toy influx and you don't know what to do about it, I'm going to give you some tips to help you clear that hot mess. So number one is to get good storage units. So usually I don't recommend buying things before you declutter and organize, but this you need for the toys. So ones that I really recommend are from IKEA. There's the Trofast system, which has drawers, different size drawers, and you put them into the Trofast, and then you can put books and stuff on top as well. It's really great. You can label the boxes as well. Really think they're one of the best things to get out there. The other thing from IKEA is the Kallax system, which is the big square bookshelves. You can put containers into them. There are different ones. I can't remember the names, which is very unusual for me to not remember the name of it. But you can put them in there, or you can put books as well. And you can get different sizes, really high ones, really low ones. I think they are worth investing in. So get one of those storage units, and then you can then start putting the toys into the boxes or into the unit, and it just makes everything easier to find, more organized and less chaotic. Another thing to consider doing is rotating the toys. So if you have too many toys, but they need to play with them and they're not playing with all of them because they keep on forgetting that they have them or they can't see them or it's just too much, rotate the toys. So what you do is you take a whole bunch of the toys, put them in a box, put it into storage in your shed, in your attic, and then every 1 or 2 months, rotate the toys. So take that box out, bring it out, put it out there into your toy area, and take the ones that are now getting removed into the boxes and then put them away. And keep doing this every few months. And while you're doing the rotation, you can also see the toys that are broken, not used anymore, they're too old to play with them, and you can declutter them straight away while you're doing the rotation. So the third thing to do is to decant the toys out of the boxes. So if they're in the boxes, it's really difficult to see them. It's really difficult to get them. And plus these boxes take up so much space. So what I recommend is that you get these zip bags that you can get from Daiso, from Amazon, and you can put like the puzzles, the games, all the pieces into these bags, zip it up and label it. And it makes it so much easier for access, and it's easier for storage. So you can then pile them up, say in the Kallax on the shelf, all these puzzles together or all the games together. It just makes it easier. And if you have those wooden puzzle toys for the toddlers that have the bits that always come out, these bags are perfect to put those wooden toys in so that the things don't fall out, because they always do. So those are my recommendations for how to deal with the toy influx in your house right now. Let me know if that helps you.